In this video, we'll show you how to delete invite messages on Instagram. First, let's demonstrate what an invite message looks like. I just sent a simple, "Hello, how are you?" to a user, and as you can see, it says "Invite Sent" at the bottom of the page. If you want to delete this message, you'll need to follow a few steps. When you press and hold the message, you'll notice that there's no option to unsend or delete it directly in the app. Instead, we'll use an alternative method. Start by closing the Instagram app and opening your preferred web browser. Go to Instagram.com by typing it directly into the search bar. This ensures you won't be redirected back to the app. Once on the website, log in with your username and password. If you're already logged in, click the messenger icon at the bottom to open your messages. Find the conversation containing the invite message you want to delete. Tap on the message, and you'll see 3 dots next to it. Click on them, and the option to unsend will appear. Select Unsend, confirm the action, and after a moment, the message will be removed. Now go back to the Instagram app, refresh your messages, and you'll see that the invite has disappeared. If you visit the user's profile and tap the message button, the invite message will no longer be there, and the option to send a new invite will be available. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.